And welcome back. Recently crowned World 100-meter champion Oblique Seville is being hailed by his support team for the mental fortitude he displayed at the just concluded World Athletics Championships in Japan. The turning point for Seville in Tokyo came on the day of the 100-meter final when the making of a champion was completed. When Oblique Seville crowned himself a World 100-meter champion at the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan in September, it completed a 4-year journey for the 24-year-old. A journey which began at the Tokyo Olympics in 2021 at the very same Japan National Stadium when he made his first senior Jamaican team. 2 fourth-place finishes in the 100-meter final at the World Championships in 2022 and 2023, and an 8th-place finish at the Paris Olympics in 2024 would follow. So what made the difference in 2025? The answer? Well, his support team. While his coach Glenn Mills and manager Norman Peart are known to the public, the behind-the-scenes crew of Coach Machel Woolery and massage therapists Jeffrey King and Sean Kettle are a little less known. These three surrounded and drew ranks around Seville in Tokyo. Woolery acted as an extension of Coach Mills, who was not in Tokyo.
For me, I have a working relationship with him. When he come by my house, we sit and we talk, we play dominoes, in talk about that stuff. He just relate. So I relate to him from my perspective. What can he do from a perspective of even for him resting? Because he's a man we love sometimes sneak and party. But mentoring. Mentorship is the key. He and Antonio and Bennett are 2 guys that are close to each other. Emotionally, they go to church together. They do everything. So these are the things that from my end I help to garner along with what Sir Mills do to help him along the way.
He also pointed to Seville's mental growth in Tokyo.
For me, it was more of just get him mentally relaxed. Not to think about the final, not to think about the semi-final, just think about each day as a day. Get him eating properly, get him resting, and as a team, we get him functioning as an individual. And the rest was history.
For King, overcoming the injuries and niggles this season were key to Seville's success. He played a critical role in this regard.
One of the things is that the difference with this season was, we put a wonderful team together. We have some guys like Sean Kettle to do the technical stuff, but I work very closely with Oblique. I'm the ground person, Racers Track Club 24/7 with him, so we have to be careful with his training and stuff like that, know when to push, when not to push. So it's, that was the difference with, this leading to this success.
But maybe the most critical to Seville's success was a special request he made on the day of the final.
He said, "Coach, I'm hungry and I eat some food." I said, "Yeah, because Mr. Peart is manager. And Mr. Peart, so we need some food. That place is an hour and a half from here." And Mr. Peart take the order, drive, get it, bring it back to us, oxtail, jerk chicken, rice and peas, and just we have a nice meal and we was ready to go. That meal help us. It's like you soothe the mind, you give him something that help him to relax, and he eat not too much but just eat enough to help him. And he put on the rest for his snack and say, "Boy, I have to come home back to enjoy oxtail in the night." So Mr. Peart, enough respect to you.
In part 2, how the meal was won and the way forward for world champion Seville.